Do you want to make the slow shutter effect, or also known as motion blur, in Photoshop? You are in the right place. If you find the video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Well, the first step is to right-click on the photo, convert to Smart Object. Right-click again, duplicate layer. Now select the top layer. Select Subject, and it will be selected automatically. But in case it does not select automatically, you can select manually with this tool. Well, now we select the top layer and we click here. Right-click, convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter. Blur. Motion blur. And here we will increase the distance to our taste, but calm. Later, you will be able to change it in case you are not convinced. Now we move the layer of above until it is as we like. As I said before, we can change the distance if we are not convinced, so we will double-click on Motion Blur and adjust the distance to your liking. And that's it. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.